Welcome folks to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making broccoli casserole. It's delicious, it's easy, just a little prep work, and I think you're going to like it. We purchased 2 fresh broccoli heads and cut off the florets, the flower part on top. Fresh or frozen, I went with fresh. I took the tops off the broccoli, washed them, shook them out, and then we had put 6 cups of water in my pan, and I boiled it for about 3 minutes, maybe 4, until it's, you know, not squishy, but it's good and green. I took 2 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. I used instant rice, but you can use regular, whatever you want. I put a little bit of salt in there and a tablespoon of butter. It took 20 minutes. You let it boil, and then you put the rice in there, and then you take it off the eye and wait 20 minutes. We're going to start with the rice. We're going to put it in the bowl. This is 2 cups and 1/4 cup of butter, 2 eggs beaten. This is a cup of cheese, cheddar cheese, a cup of mayonnaise. Then we're going to put in the half a onion that's been chopped and sauteed, and the 1 can of mushroom soup. And I've got a sleeve full of crackers that I just use those Townhouse, I think, buttered crackers, and you just give it a little mash until they're. I'm going to mix this up. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Now I put salt in the water when I cook the rice, and I put salt in the broccoli when I cook the broccoli. So I'm just going to put some pepper in here, probably a good teaspoonful. Here's my 13 by 9 pan. I've sprayed it with spray. I've cooked the broccoli, I guess 3 or 4 minutes. So we're going to drain it. Then we're going to transfer this over here. I've poured the mixture on top of the broccoli, and now we're going to fold it together. Try not to mush the broccoli, just fold it. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Make sure you get it all mixed together. The reason why I put the broccoli and drained it with this thing, I didn't want to put it in a bowl and mix it because it would just tear the broccoli up too much. So that's what I did that. You just wanted to fold it in, incorporate it. I want to take these crackers. I'm going to spread them all over the top. I got my oven 350. And this is a 13x9 pan, and I've sprayed it. I'll make sure you do that. We're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. And it looks wonderful. It's hot, gooey, got a little crunch on the top. I kept it in there for 30 minutes, which was plenty of time. And it'll be a great side dish to take or just to have as a family meal. We usually just grill some chicken on the barbecue with it and just have this. Or if you just wanted to make it a one-pot meal, just chop up some chicken tenders, brown them a little bit, mix it in that, or lay them on top, whichever you want, and then cook it. And that way you'll have your casserole and your protein. So until then, I hope you try this recipe. It is really good. It's easy, and summer coming up, spring, Easter. There's a lot of places you can take this casserole. So I hope you try it, and as always, God bless. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. See if you see something there that you like. If you like this recipe and found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.